Right that.
What up YouTube, this is Steeza. In today's video we're going to be going over how to do a titty neck on IW4X or Modern Warfare 2. Yes, the name sounds weird for anybody that doesn't know what this trick shot is, but it's basically a different variation of a neck, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that right now. I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30 US Eastern time, so please drop your boy a follow on there. If this tutorial helped you guys at all, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Let's get to the video though. To do the titty neck, you guys can use really any weapon you want. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a Spaz 12 and an intervention. So I'm going to start with my Spaz 12, but like I said, you can do this with any weapon. So basically you're going to shoot and then give it a second and press Y. That's all it is, just two buttons, right trigger and then Y. So what I like to do is hold left trigger as well to scope in, and it kind of gives you a little animation. Once the titty neck is successful, you'll actually see the scope of your other weapon as soon as it happens. So let me try to get one real quick to show you guys what I'm talking about. It's a timing thing, obviously, because your boy can't get it yet. There it is, there it is. Yeah, it's a lot of timing. You can look at the bottom left corner of my screen if you guys want to check out my controller overlay. It'll kind of show you how I'm timing this up, but it's really like an audio and a visual timing thing. I can't talk. So it's really just an audio and a visual. Dude, why? That is the fucking tongue twister. It's audio and a visual cue. So you're gonna wanna wait until you hear that second click just before it clicks. And then for the visual, you just kind of have to like do it a couple times and look and see like, all right, it happens around this time. But I really pay attention to the audio cue, and you guys will hear me actually say that at the clip I'm going to show you guys, because I'm probably not going to hit this in a shot, not going to lie. I'll give it a couple attempts. If we have some successful attempts, I'll put them in this video. But at the clip that I'm going to show you guys at the end, you can hear me say like, I'm really trying to listen for that second click, and then I go for it and I hit it, and you guys are really going to like the spot I hit it from too. It was a really long time ago, back when I streamed on Xbox days, so the setup is different and everything, but it's really sweet. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to hit this in a shot, see if we can make it happen. All right, this is barrel stuff, but you know what, it's just a YouTube video. Let's get it. Oh, so close. Like the bot was so close. Oh, F4? Can't remember the exact height. She's told me so many times. I feel like an idiot. Oh my god! 44 meters? Bro, that was so clean too. Oh my god. I'm trying to listen for the sound on when I should be pressing Y to do the neck, because it makes like 2 clicks with the shotgun. I fucking hit it, dude. I'm trying to listen for the sound on when I should be pressing Y to do the neck, because it makes like 2 clicks with the shotgun. I fucking hit it, dude.